Back to my channel KSR English. Now we are going to discuss present continuous. Before moving on, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Am or is or are plus V1 plus inform plus object. This is the structure. Subject am, is or are plus V1 plus inform plus object. V1 plus inform you can say V4. Okay. So this is the structure. Now the first condition, for an action is going on at the time of speaking. An action is going on at the time of speaking. That means one action is going on before our eyes. Before our eyes. Okay. That action should be in present continuous tense. Okay. Let us see example. She is singing a song now. She is singing a song now. So that action is going on in front of us. Okay, you are just watching that, what she is doing. So that action should be in present continuous tense. She is singing a song. She is subject, is singing. So she is third person singular. So is that be form verb. Okay, and singing. V1 plus inform means sing plus ing. Singing. A song object. Now this is adverb. So she is singing a song now. And one more example. They are playing cricket. They are playing cricket. Action is going on. Okay. I am writing a book now. I am writing a book now. And the baby is crying. The time the baby is crying. So that is also present continuous. Listen, he is talking. Listen, he is talking. This is also present continuous tense. So these are the best examples for the condition. See, for an action is going on at the time of speaking. Now second option, for a temporary action which may not be actually happening at the time of speaking. Means it may not be happening in front of us. Okay. But in very quick, very future it will be going. Okay. See, a temporary action which may not be happening at the time of speaking. In this condition, you have to use present continuous tense. See, let us see example. I am reading David Copperfield. I am reading David Copperfield. That is book name. So I am reading. That means that was not at the time. That was not happening at the time of speaking. Okay, but you have, in this condition you have to use present continuous tense. See, I am staying with a friend this week. I am staying with a friend this week. And one more example, she is living in Hyderabad for a few months. Okay, in this condition you have to use present continuous tense. Third condition, for an action talk about future arrangements. Okay, this is for an action to talk about future arrangements. Let us say examples. I am meeting my father at the airport at 5 o'clock tomorrow. It's not happening now, but this is a future event. Okay, so I am meeting my father at the airport 5 o'clock tomorrow. I am meeting. Okay, and second one, we are having lunch together at the weekend. Okay, this is also future arrangements, future event. We are having lunch together at the weekend. And one more, we are going to movie this evening. We are going to movie this evening. This is also future arrangement. My uncle is arriving tomorrow. And one more example, I am going to cinema tonight. Okay, these are the examples for this condition. Yeah. Now the last condition. See, there are certain verbs that cannot be used in the present continuous tense. The following verbs should not be used in present continuous tense. Okay, let us see. See, smell, hear, feel, taste, appear, look, seem, wish, want, value, mind, hope, refuse, prefer, believe, expect, notice, recognize, agree, forget. In these verbs we should not use present continuous tense. We should not say seeing, she is seeing. We should not say she see. That's all. She is smelling. No. She is hearing. No. She is feeling. No. We should not use inform. Okay. That means in present continuous tense we should not use. Okay. So, for example, I am having a car. This is wrong. Okay. We have to say I have a car. Okay. Am having means eating or drinking. Okay. So the meaning, it gives a different meaning. It gives different meaning. So we should not say I am having a car. Okay. You can say I am having lunch. Okay. But or I am having breakfast. But we should not say having car, I'm having a bag. We should not say. Okay. I have a car. She is hearing to music. That is wrong. Should not say he is hearing. Okay. She is listening to. She is listening to music. Okay. So in these following verbs should not be taken in form.